Okay, we're going to do a thing called Had a Little Mule. They had it wrote down as a hoedown, but it's not a hoedown, it's an old rag tune.
All right.
Okay, here we go. Well, the mule kicked stable door off this morning. The mule kicked stable door off this evening. The mule kicked stable door off. There wasn't any feed in a little feed trough this morning, this evening, so soon. Here's my mule right here on the piano. Cotton in a 10-yard sack this morning. Picked my cotton in a 10-yard sack this evening. Picked my cotton in a 10-yard sack. I showed you my aching back this morning, this evening, so soon. All four. Bootlegger up this what he said this morning. Call my bootlegger up this what he said this evening. Call my bootlegger up this what he said. Ain't got the white left to take the red this morning, this evening, so soon. Johnny Gimble. Well, old Aunt James, she bought a new hat this morning. Old Aunt James, she bought a new hat this evening. Old Aunt James, she bought a new hat, believe it or not, boys, it's tight like that this morning, this evening, so soon.